Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a rim repair. I bought the car used, so the wheels were used and they were a little bit abused. So I have the kit here. I'm going to go step by step on how to refurbish the wheel. I don't have matching paint, so we're just going to clean it up and then seal it. And then as soon as I can, I'm going to get the wheels powder coated. This is the kit we're going to be used today. It includes 400, 1000, and 1500 grit sandpaper. And one of the most important parts is the sanding block. It keeps a flat surface. If you try to do this with your fingers, you are going to end up with curved or dented surfaces. I recommend using the tool that's provided. So here's some of the damage on the wheel. That doesn't look too bad. But as we get to other parts of the wheel, you can see it gets much, much worse. And literally, it's the whole entire wheel almost. That's really bad right there. So I'll do some before and afters, just so you guys can see progress. So here's an update. This is 2 passes with the 500 grit. With the block, you can see still needs more. You know, it's not the greatest. That one gets worse as you go. Really bad. And then the worst part's here. You can see it's got highs and lows, and then really high spots right there. So it's gonna take some time, but it's a work in progress. So I'm working in the garage and heard a noise outside, so I went to go check it out. And I know you can see this right here, Z1 Motorsports. So I think it's cold air intakes and the rear diff bushings. So we're gonna open it up and we're gonna check out what we got, and then time permitting, we'll see what projects we can start. Because I started one today and about a quarter of the way through. I'll show you the progress. We had some wicked curb rash and it's sanded down. I gotta do the whole wheel though. So we're getting there. We are getting there. And when we're done, it's gonna be off to powder coat. Thinking gloss black or the factory stock gunmetal gray. Not sure yet. We'll see when it's all said and done. All right, so here's the update after about an hour. Pretty smooth. There's still some spots where, like, you can see little tiny divots. It's still rough, so here, let me give you. That's a really rough area, and then right here too. It's smooth. It got curved real bad right there. So I moved from the sandpaper to a Dremel. You gotta be a little more careful with it, but I got a good technique that's working. So this will be done probably about another hour. All right, done. You can see a couple spots where it just needed to be touched up. That's good. Now, look at that. No more curb rash. Oh man. Can't wait to get these powder coated. It looks so good. That was just a piece of dirt or something. So these were pretty damaged. This is the rear passenger side, and it took a beating, but now looks really smooth, really nice. And these are, in my opinion, the best rims Infiniti ever produced. They just look great. So I did the honors of opening up my Z1 package that I showed you earlier, and this is what we got. We got the wrinkle black intake tubes, the black on black combo. And I didn't go with the race package because you have to modify the front crash bar on my car. So these will fit without having to cut anything or weld. So there it is. That'll be tomorrow's project or the next video. Thank you, Z1. Send it.